Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss exercise 1.3 of the first chapter number system. So the question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion is. So first one is 36 by 100. So we know that the decimal expansion of 36 by 100 is 0.36. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. Then come to second one, that is 1 by 11. So to convert this rational number into decimal number, we have to divide 1 by 11. So 1 is smaller than 11, so we will put here decimal sign. Then we put here 0, then 0. Then 0, 9, 99. Then 1, again we put 0, so this is less than 11, so we put 0, again 0, 99. So it will continue. So the decimal expansion is 0.090909. So here the decimal expansion of 1 by 11 is 0.09 bar. So this is a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Third one, 4, 1 by 8. So this is a mixed number. So first we have to convert it into rational number. So this is 33 by 8. So now to convert it into decimal number, we have to divide 33 by 8. So 8 4s are 32, then 1, 0, then point 1, that is 8 1s are 8, then 2, 0, 8 2s are 16, then 4, 0, 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 0. So this is equal to 4.125. So this is a terminating decimal number. Terminating decimal number. So next come to bit 4. Fourth one is 3 by 13. So then we have divide 3 by 13. So here 3 is less than 13. So we will put here decimal sign. Then 0. 13 3s are 13 2s are 26. Then 4. 0. Then 13 3s are 39. Then 1, 0. So again we put 0. So 13 7s are 91. Then again 9, 0. 13 6s are 78. Then 12, 1. 13 8s are 39s are 117. So remainder is 3. So again this is repeating. So this group of numbers will repeat. That is the decimal expansion of 3 by 13 is 0.230769 bar. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal number. So this decimal number is non-terminating and repeating. Next number is 2 by 11. So we have to divide 2 by 11. So as this is 2 is less than 11, so here we point decimal point. So again 0, 11 1s are 11. So this is 9, then 0, 11 8 are 88. Then 2 0. Then 11 1 is 11. Then 9 0. 11 8 are 88. So again it will continue. So this will continue. So 2 by 11 has decimal expansion as 0.18 bar. So this is non-terminating. Non-terminating repeating. Next one is 329 by 400. So we have to divide 329 by 400. So here we will put a decimal sign, then 0, 8, that is 3200, then 90, 0, 2, 800. So this is 100, again we will put 0, so 2 is 800, then 200, then 0, then 5, 200, 2000, the remainder is 0. So this is a terminating decimal expansion, 0.8225. So this is terminating decimal expansion. Question number 2. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. This group of numbers are repeating. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? Yes, we can do it. As 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. So 2 by 7 we can write it as 2 multiplied with 1 by 7. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 0.142857 bar. So this is equal to, we will multiply 2 by this decimal number. So this is 2 by 7. Again 3 by 7 we can find by multiplying 3. So this is 3 into 1 by 7. That is 3 into 0.142857 bar. So this is equal to 0.428571 bar. Again 4 by 7 is equal to 4 multiplied with 1 by 7. So 4 into 0.142857. So this is equal to 0.571428. Again 5 by 7 is equal to 5 into 1 by 7. 5 multiplied with 0.142857 bar. So is equal to 0.714285. Then 6 by 7. 6 multiplied with 1 by 7. 6 into 0.142857 bar. So this is equal to 0.857142. So in this way we can find what is 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without long division method.